Hi there, this is Leanna with Tippy.com, and we are going to take a look at how to do Mobile Hotspot with the Verizon iPhone. So here is my Verizon iPhone, and we're going to go to Settings, Personal Hotspot, and turn it on. There is an option to use Bluetooth to use Personal Hotspot, but we're going to go ahead and just do Wi-Fi. So we'll do Wi-Fi and USB only. And now, right here, it tells me exactly how to use Personal Hotspot, which is awesome. But we'll go ahead and take a look and see how it's done on the Mac. And the iPhone equipped me with a password, quacks62capt. But I can go ahead and change that to whatever I want. So let's go ahead and change it, actually. Let's change it to TipB Verizon. And we hit done. Okay, so now the iPhone is set up to do Personal Hotspot. Now let's go ahead and connect with my MacBook. So this is my airport on my MacBook, and right now I'm connected to my personal Wi-Fi titled Lofty. And if you see right here, we have iPhone. So I'm going to go ahead and connect to iPhone, and it's asking for the password. Well, that's the password I just assigned, which is going to be, we'll go ahead and show the password so you can see. TipB Verizon, and we're going to hit OK. And the airport is still thinking. It's still connecting. If you want to see, there it is. Still thinking. Uh-oh. Something went wrong. iPhone. That was weird. Okay, well, now I'm connected. Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom back out. And let's see how it works. So let's go ahead and refresh TipB. And it's actually pretty snappy. I am very impressed with how quickly it works over Verizon 3G. Just to confirm, now my iPhone shows that I have one personal hotspot, and this is in my lock screen. If I slide to unlock, up at the top, there's a blue bar. This is personal hotspot, and then I have one connection. And as you can also see, it says that I'm connected to Verizon 3G. And this loaded pretty quick. Let's go ahead and try Google. That's interesting. It says encrypted.google.com. Very interesting. And another popular site, we'll try Facebook. So the blue bar, there we go. Nice and quick. Fantastic. Here is TipB. So that's awesome. So now like I said, I have one connection. So let's go ahead and connect my iPad to it as well. So let's go ahead and, I guess, close that. And let's go ahead and connect the iPad. So to connect the iPad, I'm going to go to Settings. Where are we? Wi-Fi. I'm currently connected to Lofty, but let's connect to iPhone. And it was, oops, no it wasn't. It was TipB Verizon. Join. And there we go. We are connected. So let's go ahead and see how well it works on this. We'll go ahead and connect to TipB. Oops. And that's not bad. Not bad. So my iPad is connected, and I just thought of this, but since I closed my MacBook lid, it disconnected. So I'll go ahead and open up my MacBook again, and let's double check. Oh, I'm on Lofty, so let's go ahead and connect back to the iPhone. And there we go. I believe we're connected. And now my iPhone says that I have 2 connections with Personal Hotspot. So it's pretty nice. I must say I'm very impressed with how easy and quickly the Personal Hotspot works. So there we go. This has been how to use Personal Hotspot with the Verizon iPhone, and I am Leanna with tipbee.com. Thanks.